In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover and restore Google Slides presentations, deleted slides, recovery. If you've ever deleted a slide by mistake or need to roll back changes, this guide will show you exactly how to use Google's built-in version history to bring your presentation back to a previous state quickly and safely. First, head to Google Slides. Open your browser and go to the Google Slides homepage where you'll see your recent presentations. This is your starting point for recovering content. From here, choose a presentation to work with. You can pick any file you want to restore or a sample presentation if you just want to practice. Once you've found it, click the presentation to open it in the editor. Now look to the top left of the screen for the File menu in the toolbar. This is where Google keeps options for managing your document. Click File to open the dropdown, then hover over Version History. Version History is Google's timeline of your document. It automatically captures versions as you edit, so you can browse earlier snapshots and restore them when needed. Next, click See Version History. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen showing a list of saved versions organized by date and time. You might see labels like Today, Earlier Dates, and Timestamps. Click the timestamp that corresponds to the moment before the slide was deleted. For example, something like 23 December 0953. When you click a version, Google Slides shows a preview of that exact state in the main area. Look through the deck to confirm that the missing slides are present and that everything looks correct. When you're confident you found the right snapshot, click Restore at the top of the screen. Google will ask you to confirm because restoring replaces the current working version with the one you selected. Don't worry, you can still access other versions later through version history if you need to change your mind. After you confirm, the presentation updates to that recovered state and your deleted slides are back in place. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that owns or has edit access to the presentation, and give the version list a moment to load if your file is large or has many edits. If you don't immediately see the changes you expected, try selecting an earlier timestamp in the list until you find the right one. That's it. You've successfully restored your Google Slides presentation using version history, a reliable safety net for accidental deletions and unwanted changes.